This
The
is
position has improved a lot.
definitely. Now what? Quick, quick, quick.
Queen.
Queen. Boom. We're back in the game. Come on.
Go.
I don't move it. It's a mouse. It's a three-way mouse.
All right, you know what? I'm making all moves from now on. I'm making all moves. It's my move. Now it's your move.
G4. G4.
What on earth?
No, you said play G4.
What on earth?
You said if he plays on this.
That would be really cool. Wait a second. I should be winning, right? Something. Well, this is not the best move. Oh my god, what am I doing? My queen is hanging. I wanted to take on e5 first and then move the knight and I didn't. Now he can just take my queen. He didn't take my queen. What's going on? Oh my, this is... What a horrible game. What a horrible game. I can't believe it. I'm still playing this game. My queen was hanging with a check.
Right.
No panic. No panic. Goodness me.
Ow. Oh no. Here.
Mate in two.
Oh yes.
Yeah. How on earth did we do that? Danny, you're a genius. Now it's like I have a speaking head with a very rigid body. Look at that. And my arms like this, arms like this. This is me. Look at that. I should play faster. Can I play this for a win? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna be moving on the king side. That's for sure. Wait a second. Why did I not see this? I can give mate now after f3. I mean, he has to give up the knight. This is the funniest endgame position I have seen recently. Wow, it's mate. I mean, mate on the board in a minor piece endgame. This is my website, AnnaRudolphChess.com. If you wanna check it out. I'm gonna lose on time again. No, I have a rook up and I lose on time. I would like the next tournament to be with increment. I can't make fast moves. 3 months diamond membership from Greg Shahade. He gave it to me because I won. Anna wins, Greg loses. Anna win, Greg lose. Anna win, Greg lose. Anna win, Greg lose. Try talking like Yasser. You would automatically calm down. I know. Yasser is so soothing. It's so relaxing to listen to. Yasser. I love Yasser. He's great. And it's been such an amazing event, the entire Carlsen Nakamura match. That's the spirit. Danny said he hasn't played chess for 6.5 years, but now he's back and he wants to win even with the piece down. I mean, you are a fighter. You're a warrior.
I'm an idiot.
Challenge. I just sent Hikaru a challenge. I don't know if he's going to accept it. But if he does, ladies...
Let's see.
Okay, Anna, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Anna, I'm going to make the first move so he doesn't get upset.
Yeah.
Go fast, go fast.
Go on again. And talking about pretty cool stuff on the internet, did you guys see that I am featured in a hilarious video? It was published 14 hours ago and it has over 222,000 views. And that's basically a video about the magical world of my comment sections, my YouTube videos, and some of the comments I receive on my YouTube videos. If you want to have a good laugh, definitely check out Creepy Chess Comments by Suit House. The moment I realized that they made a video about the comments on my videos, and I started watching the clip, I thought that it was amazing. I thought they made a hilarious, excellent job on bringing out something that I didn't even know about. Like, maybe some of the comments I saw back in the day, but I don't really care about those comments anymore, luckily for me. I try to keep my head up and not care about trolls or comments that are not about chess or being nice or being just a kind human being, you know, kind to each other, respect each other. So I don't care about those comments, but it was just such a hilarious clip that I recommend it as a viewer.
I will play that every time we start flagging.
Yes, yes, please.
Sorry, I messed up. I gone done and effed that up real bad.
Now I'm like a pato. I feel like I'm speaking pato language. Does it sound like duck?
I'm sitting in the room. Where is Pink? I don't have a room, but she is a hat. It looks so great that I'm going to not gonna say that. And we're chilling on the floor. No, we're sitting on a chair. Want some more? Look at that outfit. It's amazing. And it's crazy. I don't
Whoa! Actually, people were telling me that
we're gonna get a picture.
we should stream again, which we will.
Oh, I know how to do multi-streams now.
Really?
Yeah, I was being stupid last time. I'll tell you.
Awesome. So we're gonna do multi-stream, and also.
Okay, it'll be candid. Just taking a picture. I'm smiling. Now you're smiling.
Wait, so we have Miss Tactics? I get it
And,
wrong again? Miss Switchenzug? what's your title?
That's my title.
Miss Endgame. There's no Miss Endgame.
I'm Miss
Bullet.
Yeah, she's Miss Bullet. I'm Miss
Okay.
Strategy.
I see I got it wrong again.
Time. Whoa! Look at that attack. But he can still do what I was
Oh no,
saying.
don't take on G7, please don't take on G7, please don't. Please don't. Oh no. Oh, he saw it. Disaster.
To the left. Do you see me? I was trying to high five you.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I can't see the.
Yes! Oh,